Hello, welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot, just like this really nice Chrysler Pacifica in front of us here today. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2018 Chrysler Pacifica with under 20,000 miles, guys. This is an extremely nice van. It has all the bells and whistles on it. We're kind of going to go around and show you everything that's in it and make sure there's no damage on the vehicle. As you can see, the front bumper is in very, very good condition. I don't see anything wrong with it as far as scratches or dents. Same with the hood area. Just a really nice overall vehicle. It's got a factory 20-inch rim, I believe, on this, and it looks very well. Chrysler did a really good job with that. And as you can see, the side of it is in great condition, just like the front. On the back, you do have your backup sensors located on the back bumper right there. And this vehicle is also equipped with a factory backup camera located right above the license plate bracket right there. And guys, with this being a Chrysler Pacifica, it comes with a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor on this thing, which is an extremely nice motor. It's been around since 2011, so it has been tried and tested. And if you're looking for fuel economy, this is definitely the right vehicle for you. There is no reason that you should not be getting close to 30 miles per gallon in this 7-passenger minivan while going down the highway. So just phenomenal fuel economy, and it has an awesome look with a bunch of cool features built into it. On the inside of the driver's door, you're going to have memory seating for 2 people, power side mirrors, and you also do have power folding mirrors, as you can see there. They fold in, and then they also power fold back out. Power windows and power locks. You're also going to have a power seat with a 4-way power lumbar. Automatic overhead headlights located right there. And once you get inside this thing, it is extremely spacious with many options built into this vehicle. Starting on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, right here, these buttons right here are going to operate your instrument cluster, that's just located right here, right in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge over here on the right. You can look through a bunch of different stuff that's going on with your vehicle. Like, for example, right now it's on tire pressure. It can be adjusted to your fuel economy. It can be adjusted to your trip information, start stop features, your audio features, messages on what's going on with your vehicle, stuff, maintenance that may need to be done, all kinds of cool stuff, how fast you're going. So there's a bunch of stuff that's built into there that you can go through and check out while driving down the road. You also have capability to do hands-free, so you can program your phone directly into this through the Bluetooth, and you can simply answer your cell phone while driving down the road and hitting that green phone button right there. And you're having your conversation at that point directly through your speaker system. You're not reaching for your phone, so it's definitely a really nice safety feature to have. Over here on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have all your buttons for your cruise control. And then on the back of the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you can also adjust your volume for your radio. And on the back of the left-hand side, you can adjust your radio station. And speaking of radio, guys, this has an extremely nice, large touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. So it has all the bells and whistles when it comes to that. You can also download media into this if you'd like, as far as songs go. It has a climate control system that's one of the leading in the industry. It's got dual climate control settings, so it has a driver's side setting and a passenger side setting, as you can see here. We both have them set on high as of right now, but you can adjust the passenger if they're getting a little hot down to 80, for example, and it'll blow out at a different speed on the passenger side of the vehicle. And if you'd like to sync it back to where they're both running on the same temperature, you simply hit the sync button and it brings it right back. Another cool feature is it has an auto feature, so you can set your temperature on whatever it may be, hit the auto button, and it'll bring it up to that temperature inside the cab, and it'll maintain it by adjusting the temperature of the air coming out of the vents and also the speed. Bunch of Uconnect apps that are built into this. One of the cool ones is this travel link, like I just pushed there. It'll show you current fuel prices in the area where you're traveling, movie listings at the current the closest movie place where you're traveling, sporting events, current scores, past scores, and upcoming games. It's all built in right there. You have a weather button, so you can check your weather in your area. You have a radar map, which is really cool, so you can check the weather in the whole country, or maybe just in the area where you're traveling. Sirius XM traffic while traveling. If you put your route into your navigation system, which this does have, and I'll show you a second, it'll let you know in the route in front of you if you have a traffic jam for any reason, detours. It's just a really, really cool feature to have. And also with this vehicle, it does have heated seats for the front two passengers. It is a high and a low setting, so you have two different settings. It also has ventilated seats with a high and a low setting also, and a heated steering wheel. And like I said, guys, it does have the navigation system. This is a factory navigation system, as you can see here on the screen. Right under that, you do have your shifter located right here. And like I said, it does have the factory backup camera, as you can see there. And right here, you have your two buttons right here on the outside. Those are going to operate your volume, and you can change your channel right there. And then right under there, you're going to have a second option when it comes to your climate control. So if you don't want to use the radio, you simply just want to use your hands, you can simply do it right here by adjusting your temperature and your speed of the vent flow, or the air coming out of the vents. Nice little cubby hole, and a Blu-ray player right here for your rear Blu-ray players, which I'll show you here in a second. 12-volt DC charge located on there, a USB plug, and a nice little storage bin. It also has more storage up here, cup holders, little storage right there. So it does have plenty of storage room inside this vehicle. Passenger seat seems to be in excellent condition. I don't see any tears, rips, no stains on the floor. Just an overall really, really nice vehicle. Also, this vehicle does have capability of programming your garage door directly into the vehicle. Up to 3 different garage doors can be programmed in there. One of the coolest features with this van is the humongous sunroof. It runs all the way to the rear of the captain's chairs. So it is a very, very large sunroof. Lets in plenty of light and definitely looks really cool. With this vehicle, it does have power sliding doors on both sides. Maybe. There it goes. Power sliding doors on both sides, as you can see there. Really nice feature to have when getting groceries in or the kids in. And you can operate them power doors from your key fob by simply pushing the door buttons, and they will open for you. With these captain's chairs here in the center, these two captain's chairs are heated captain's chairs, which is a really nice feature. And it does, like I said, have the flip-up DVD players located right here behind the driver and passenger seat. This has a bunch of really cool features in it. Not only can you watch a movie in it, as you can see here in the center, you can actually play games in it. Bingo. The people in the back can track how close we are to our current destination. So you know more of that "are we there yet" kind of thing. If you have it programmed on your navigation of where you guys are going to go, the kids can actually follow it from the rear and see how much longer it's going to take till we get there. And a bunch of other cool features that are built in there. So bingo, checkers, like I said, math games, just a really cool system to have. It also does have a rear heat and AC system located right there, so it can be operated from the back, or it also can be operated from up front too. These metal captain's chairs, as you can see here, these are Stow and Go captain's chairs, so they can be folded flat into the floor, which makes it nice if you do need to haul something. It can definitely be done very easily by putting the captain's chairs directly in the floor. Gives you a bunch of room in the back for storing whatever, or hauling whatever you need to haul. Also on the captain's chairs, on both of them, you do have child safety hooks located right here. Really nice feature to have when if you do have children that are in car seats. It makes it quick and easy and sure it's safe. There's the back bench. As you can see, it's in very, very good condition. No stains, no nothing, no tears. Just an overall really, really nice vehicle in general. And that back power bench does it is a power folding, which I'll show you in a second. And up there on the top, you're going to notice it's shut right now, but you can open that so the kids in the rear can also see out to the sky if they'd like to too. So that's, you can there's definitely a bunch of huge areas as far as looking up inside this vehicle, where you're going to have your sunroof, where you can definitely see about everything you need to see. Power rear tailgate, as you can see there. And this back bench does fold directly into this floor right here if you need to haul stuff, just like the captain chairs. It can be folded directly in there. Nice feature to have. Or you can just use it for your day-to-day storage, which most people do. And like I said, guys, it is power folding, as you can see here, and it does have a 12-volt DC plug right there. So as you can see, this Chrysler Pacifica is fairly loaded. It's got every bell and whistle that I could ever imagine on it, from leather seating to heated seating to navigation to rear entertainment system, the largest sunroof that I've seen in a long time on a minivan. It's just got a bunch of really cool features. 20-inch factory wheels, and of course you can get 30+ miles a gallon with a 3.6 liter motor. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see a full description of everything that's on this vehicle and or 40 to 50 still pictures of it, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.